So irresponsible, as a man, you must come for your wife, my dog. If you fail to protect your wife against the public or against anyone, even your family members, with the samurungwenza. Yes, with a trend. At what cost? We shouldn't engage on social media to destroy families. Yes, we can play with each other. Zamlomo, zamnomfu, you know.
Vakhandle group lowu i ntlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuhuseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka. U nga ha tlhela u vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala emisaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandle group swi katsa leswi: muganga basic laha u chayelaka hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 110 rand. U kuma tende 100 wa switulu, mobile toilet, basic sound system, tihunyi na 5000 rand. Muganga premium u chayela hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 130 leyi ku nyikaka 10000 rand. Muganga super premium ya ku nyika 15000 rand yi tlhela ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna loko u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 150 rand ntsena. Muganga cash only benefit u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 110 rand. Loko u ri xirho u nga engetela 50 rand ntsena. U joyina muganga unveiling benefit. Vuxokoxoko byi le ka 064 755 5674 kasi eka website hi vakhandlegroup.co.za. Rhumela rungula eka info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.
The West lera ku loko ko va video ani nga ta n'wi ani ri swi humelele mina nga ri kona. Then loko a swi humelela in my presence, it's something else. But so Nsati wa ku cheata a nga pfuki na siku na pena rivaleriwini. Majita mi swi tiva sweswo. Nsati loko ze swi kumeka ku teka xibubu a phakela in your presence. Hikuva anyway vhela n'wi kuma nga ri virgin i China u swi negotiate sweswo. So mara laka leyi nsati wa mina a wu ndlangi nchumu ka ta mina. You love hlangana na minyofu leyi ngo to va tsuka yi ri minyofu. You have never done anything stupid. Ku va ku loko i ri na munhu a nga beat a nga khoma hi vusiwana a lava ku ta tikuma a kume something out of you kumbe a lava ta satisfy ego ya a twisisa ku ri let me do this just to ruin your image. It will never change how I feel about you, even at your worst, whether broke or whatsoever. I'll be with you. A ni nge cinci no whether ma swi lava mi swi lavi nge cinci nchumu. I still love my women. My women, I still love my women. Ku nge cinci nchumu. I'm a provider. I will do something. Lava ntiva ku ni mchini ni foromo malani hu lava nga kusuna ma ilo tala mara hayi swa sona swi le kulungo na mina swi le kulo moka mi nga swi tivi ku ani ku vele a ni nge pfuki ni ta mukisa melani endzaweni he ndla yini ni le ku foromini. And when the time is right mi to swi vona na ku misa lo hi nga ha xavisa ti Gucci now, it's levels now, it's another thing. Loko sungula isuna ka swokari ku ni some ni famba sweswo mara ani nge pfuki ni languteke ni ri na thyaka hi mhaka ku ri
va ri ku na ti-picture ta nsati wa Gagash a nga mbalangi. Loko ri se swin'wana va ku i katekani heyi i le ku tsekatsekiseni ka mucato, right? Hi hakele mazingelele mali yin'wana yo tala ngopfu ku a ta hi endlela promo ya this advert ya this event at 26th October la endhawini this Saturday. So it's going down, man. Come have fun, ku nghena mahala. You can like ku nghena tiphulwini mi chakisa mati a hi mahala, mara ku nghena chill somewhere or enjoy the events there. Ku ta ku ri spiniwa timovha na vo baby va ta va ri kona va karhi va mi tlinela like some of the things I can't say them on a video, but hey my guy. So ku nghena u xavela byala chill anywhere besides tiphulwini nghena mali as usual sweswo swa tolo. So video leni endlele ku vulavula hi sweswo swa Gagash ne. Xin'wana lava ku xi vula i ku na mhani un'wana na mi izondha a xidluku lexi mbilu na moya. So a ni swi tivi swa ku i hleketa ku swi endlisa ku yini, i tlhela xi nyika na vito but a hi humeni ka swona. A no va na yena ni nga ni voni languta hala ni ku i la a na yena yeah i Jaimito i mfana wa le Msambikani i Mhayivava jaru kula hi mbacha tani una swi tivi. Yi manemi amukela ka the channel that matters. The channel that matters the most. Hambu kwata yey walava a wu lavi ya wena I ta swi ku ba ya wena hi mani mi amukela ka the only channel that matters to watch. Loko mi lava ku register with company, please come to me 0765661277. If you want to know more about Vakhandli Group, the same number you can use. A hi ngheneni ka nhlokomhaka. Ku na mpfula hala. Hope nge affect ngopfu. So you know, like, our past will always try to hunt us, but hina a hi vachavi hi nga ta kota ku vona ku mundzuku byi hi khomele yini. Like, Xikwembu a xi hi nikangi vutivi lebyi bya ku loko u teka decision namuntlha yi nga ta heta ku hanta. Xikwembu a xi hi nikangi vutivi lebyi byo or xivono lexiya xa ku when you identify someone, this person will come after you, because vavasati va nyikiwe leswi. That's why lava nga le high school va ta ku byela leswi u kuma ku na xitsongwani xi landzelela mfana wo karhi, kuma ku mfana loyi I xisiwana too much. Va ku why I nga joli na n'wana mani wa thichara mara I ri busy I jolana na yena. Hey, a ni la vula vito rin'wana leri kuma ni ri chakeni dammit. I ri busy I jolana na yena. U kuma ku ye I ti lavela luya wa xisiwana a tshika n'wana thichara. Why? Because vavasati, they can identify a potential successful man. They are gifted with that. Like, for such a long period of time. Why? Because vavasati va nyikiwile ku vona ku wanuna loyi u ta va na ku humelela. I just need to support him and give him and direct his success. Right? So that is it. So now it means Nsati wa Gagash I tshame a jolana xiphukupuku, right? Look, a jolana xiphukupuku, when you are in a relationship with someone, you trust them with your life. You can give them anything. You can give them your pictures. You can shoot pictures. You are in a relationship with that person. You are in love. Do you understand? Let's get that straight. You are in love with this human being, and then tomorrow they can release those things. They can threaten you with those things. Gagash irresponsibility ya yena ku a protecta wansati wa yena against these people. So Gagash angana choice but to defend his wife, because as he said, she did nothing wrong. The things that she was doing that time, she can do them today with him because she is the wife. But psychologically, I'm ehleketweni ya yena swi nga n'wi tsutsumisanyana, nga tsutsumela ku ya toilet every now and then because fuck I jona xipupuku lexi mara beba wa vone yini kwala. I don't agree with Gagash attacking people with swan, but he has to defend himself. He has to defend his wife, and he has to use any mechanism that he can use ku alwana xipukupuku lexi a xi vitana ku xipukupuku xa swan. And if Gagash masali ya yena or xibhamu xa yena lexi a hlaselaku vanhu hi xona I vusiwana, then ambo kwata u ta ku boy, you will always use it. So irresponsible as a man, you must come for your wife, my dog. If you fail to protect your wife against the public or against anyone, even your family members, that's samurungwenza. So irresponsibility ya yena. Disadvantage ya skoni iku va jole na munhu wa nomo. So here is the thing. Remember, this is not the truth, right? It might happen because Zamlomo angava atovexize lexi ha ku vulavula swin'wanyani hi xona a nga xi tivi kumbe a xi tiva, mara ku Zamlomo I vulavula ngopfu a nga va vulavuli swin'wanyani, maybe hi ex ya nsati wa or something, because Zamlomo I na mnomo I vulavula too much. So that is a possibility that it might happen that this Zamlomo itobeshiza leshiye sishukalweni langubabisa angasistiku i-ex ya ngam shiza leshiya angahembi Gagash ku xi bitter ku ri munhu loyi a xi jola na yena they built something together, but when that girl saw another potential ka Zamlomo, I can't stay with this one. Yeah, there is life here. Yeah, kuna vutomi, right? He left the guy and went to get Gagash, and indeed, her projections were correct. To show kuna vutomi, she's married now. And then that guy, if he was building something, invested a lot of emotions and money, resources to this girl, angana right, but he's bitter, waboyeka ukwata, and munhu loko kwatini, you can't tell him how to deal with anger. We always say act responsibly, but unge n'wi byeli ku tirha njhani na anger wena ku i mani a nga kwata hi yena a hi mina na wena one com. So miza luye lo nga ku lata realize swilo leswi through someone they can do that. So disadvantage ya sis na i ku aya jola na mani na Zamlomo loyi a nga duma, loyi a vulavulaka ngopfu, a vulavulaka swilo swo tala swi pfumala mabyongo. So i disadvantage leyi a nga fika a va na yona. You can't blame someone in mhaka i tlile na mani i lavula ku I mean u nga u ya blame Zali ku tlile na mazingelelo 2016 a nga se n'wi tiva ku ta va mazingelelo wa ku xipfekula wa yivona. So you can't blame anyone. I don't see Nkata Gagash wrong, but if those people are releasing pictures or videos of that lady, remember that lady might not be a qualified lawyer if she's not, or whatever the case may be, but she's very informed about law. She might not be an advocate, but one thing for sure is that she's very informed about law. So if you dare release anything, court, that's one thing, and you're going to pay your good money. You're going to pay a good money, because the damage that you would have done to a public figure like that. Remember, she's not just anybody. She's a wife of someone who is very famous, and with you releasing a picture, it reaches a huge volume of people. Because why? She's married to this guy she's married to Zamlomo, who speaks too much, and now he has a huge fan base of following. And then once she trends, it means the guy will trend, and then many people will have access to those pictures, and those were meant for private use. That's why they were not posted. So, and if you use that as a leverage or want to hurt them, madam, come. But in conclusion, I'm happy Gagash is able to defend his wife. That's what every man must do. If I say Gagash, I have no time for Zamlomo for you. I always speak my mind. That's my duty. And I don't have to come here and blame the lady. But one point I want to put across as I close up: let us not use social media to drag each other down. Some people will say you speak bad about people, and yes, I do. It's the truth. But we should not. But I never drag people down, by the way. You just lack understanding. That's my opinion too. Hi nga tirhisi social media ku onhela vutomi bya vanhu. Hi nga tirhisi social media. Even if someone hates you, man, embrace, like, move on, accept. Unge tirhisi the picture ku la ku vavisa munhu un'wana. So imagine if she was married to a very stupid and a person with less emotional intelligence. It wouldn't matter ku swilo leswi swi endleke khale. So you think if someone ahambana nsati wa hi mhaka ya wena, you will keep quiet? She would strike. If she has money, she would pay anyone to do anything to you. But we don't care about you now, the postee. You can make fun of these things, né? But these are the kinds of content we shouldn't dwell much on. We cannot sit down and then you go, namhlanje post picture ta mani nga Mbalangi. And then what? What do you do? What do you gain there? And one thing you must know, equal content I bull. Yeah? Content I bull. Those pictures will stay there forever and ever. Those pictures will stay there forever and ever. And as they stay there, wena utatukuma oringozin, because every time these pictures are recycled, this person will be hurt. And one day, where you don't expect them, they will strike. But besides Kubatakubabis, let us not engage in these kinds of attacking each other like that. Let us always, at all times, respect each other, respect each other's wives, spouses. I have enough moon like you lose because of likes, attention, clickbait, could trend anje. Yes, with a trend. At what cost? We shouldn't engage on social media to destroy families. Yes, we can play with each other, zamlomo, zamnomfu, but we shouldn't engage in personal matters like that. I mean, I'm gonna buy wena wakwata walava olavi wanran
Vakhandle Group lowu I ntlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuhuseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka. U nga ha tlhela u vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala emisaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandle Group swi katsa leswi: muganga basic laha u chayelaka hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 110 rand, u kuma tende 100 wa switulu, mobile toilet, basic sound system, tihunyi na 5000 rand. Muganga premium u chayela hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 130 leyi ku nyikaka 10000 rand. Muganga super premium ya ku nyika 15000 rand yi tlhela ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna loko u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 150 rand ntsena. Muganga cash only benefit u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 110 rand. Loko u ri xirho u nga engetela 50 rand ntsena. U joyina muganga unveiling benefit vuxokoxoko byi le ka 064 755 5674 kasi eka website hi vakhandlegroup.co.za. Rhumela rungula eka info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.